Hello. So the first app that I have chosen, or website that I have chosen to dig further into, is called Smiling Mind. Smiling Mind is a program centered around social emotional growth. It's used more as like a meditation, calming kind of program. It's compiled of a bunch of different videos. When you first sign up and create your account, it prompts you with lots of questions, such as your age, what your profession is. If you're a teacher, it also gives you ones for you to use as well as for you to use in your classroom. And then you also go into specify more specific areas that you want to work on, whether that be like focusing, better behavior, working hard. There's like 12 different areas. I can't remember all of them, but they pull up on the screen and you just click all the ones that apply to you. So the first area I want to talk about is this is called My Dashboard. So your dashboard keeps track right here of all of your sessions that you have done. It keeps track of your total number of meditation minutes or minutes that you have been working on a program. And then it tells you your streak or how many days in a row that you have used this. So you can kind of use that to work through. Like, for example, today is Tuesday. That is over here. So it goes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And it kind of rotates these days so that the next day is always the first one that you see. So that is the dashboard. You can also go up here to My Programs. Whenever I talked about at the beginning specifying those important areas that I wanted to work on, that is up in your My Programs. After you do your intro to mindfulness, what you do is you can click it to go further into it. And then it's split into modules as well as videos. So if we look here, it says there's 2 modules with 6 sessions. So if I click it, it'll have my 3 modules here, my first module with 3 lessons and my next one with 3 lessons. And then it also keeps track over here how many you have done. If you want a short little explanation on what it's about, it says it right under, as well as the time of how long it'll take. You can also go to My Sessions. And My Sessions is right here. These are also ones that were suggested for me based on the interests that I picked for my kiddos. And then over here, it keeps track of all the sessions you have actually completed. Up here at the top, you can also go to all programs and just explore any area, ignoring all the interests that you picked at the beginning. There's adults, kids, youth, families, your classroom, when you're at work, healthcare workers, other languages, research projects, lots of meditation videos based on your needs. So let's go to classroom, for example. It tells you mindfulness for educators, and then it says a practical program including a variety of different meditations which supports our professional development. So this is used more for adults. It tells you there's 3 models with 13 sessions. And then this one, primary year 1, educator lesson plans for year 1 educators. So it basically is just a composition of videos that you can use throughout your days. And then it kind of goes on and you can see all these different areas for all the different years. So if you planned on using these for your grade level, you could do that as well. If we go back, that was under classroom. You can also go to kids or youth depending on what ages you teach. Let's go to kids for now. You can see that there's lots of different programs for different age ranges and lots of different modules as well. So I teach around 7 to 9-year-olds. So if I click that, I can see all of the different modules broken up based on the title, and then I can also look at all of these different lessons that they have. There's lots and lots. And like I said, if you want to stop and want to know what it's about, a mindful eating exercise, this daily guide takes you on a 5-minute guide of your body. So lots of different things that you can focus on and think of. So this was the first one that I thought about or that I discovered, and it is called Smiling Mind.